Let's make this popular dish. You'll find this in any takeout restaurant. It's Mongolian pork. It's got savory onion, a hint of sweetness, and just a touch of sour to round out your palate. To make Mongolian pork, you'll want to cut your country pork ribs or shoulder into slices that are about 1/4 inch thick. Now you'll want to marinate your pork. You'll add some soy sauce, some dry sherry or Shaoxing cooking wine, some salt, white pepper, a little bit of sugar, and some cornstarch. You'll want to take this, mix it up real well, and you'll want to set this aside for about ½ an hour in your refrigerator. Our pork has marinated, and now here are the other ingredients you'll need. You'll need some green onions cut into 2-inch slivers. You'll need some jumbo onion cut into slices. You'll need some brown sugar, cornstarch, ginger, garlic, some water, sesame oil, low sodium soy sauce, and a little bit of rice wine vinegar. We're going to cook our pork in a wok. You'll want to fill a wok about 1/3 to halfway full of oil. As you put in your ingredients, the oil might overflow and you don't want that all over your stove. As your oil is heating up, you'll want to add some more cornstarch to your pork so that it can fry up nicely. You'll know your oil is ready when it starts to smoke on the surface and it starts to shimmer as you glide. Place your pork in your oil carefully. And you'll want to move your pieces of pork around a little bit so that you avoid any hot spots. Hot spots happen when your flame concentrates on one part of your wok. You'll want to fry your marinated pork for about 2 minutes. Your pork will continue to cook even if it's out of the oil. That part is called carryover cooking. Because your pork is cut thin, you'll want it to cook just long enough so that the cornstarch is not raw. Pull out your cooked meat and set that aside while you make the sauce. Now let's make our sauce. To a clean wok, you'll want to add a little bit of oil. And you'll want to put in your brown sugar, some water, some low sodium soy sauce, ginger, and garlic. You'll want to give that a stir. Once everything is dissolved, you'll want to add in your white onions, green onions, and your pork. To thicken this sauce, you'll want to add a little slurry. Give that a toss. That's going to need a little more slurry. Once your sauce is thickened, it is ready to plate. And that's Mongolian pork. This dish is a little crispy from our fried pork. It's got the savory flavor of our green onions and our yellow onions, and it's got a little salty note and a little sweet note from our brown sugar and our soy sauce. If there's something you want to watch me make next, leave a comment down below.